What is up guys, Standard this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a paper cutout animation with AI. So the name of the tool is Paper Animator. You can just search it by typing paperanimator.com, and after that this will directly launch the website of it. And then just simply click on launch here on the right side, and then in the new tab the Paper Animator will get launched, and then this is the editing section, so you can just choose a file or drag it here. Let's say I have this image. I'll click on use image, and then as you will see that I have just entered this image in the editor. As you can see, it has created the paper fold and unfold animation. When I click on this toggle paper unfold off, it is toggling the paper unfold off, and when I turn it on, here this changes it to toggle paper unfold on. This is the animation, and on the left side you can see the text match cut. So just simply you need to enter a keyword to create your text match cut, and let's say I am writing hello, okay, hi everyone, and then I'll click on create text match cut, and then this is rendering. You can have three previews available. It can't just generate because they are actually busy with some other requests. And from here on the right side, you can just change the animation settings like the movement, the shadow strength, shadow blur. You can just change everything from here, and you can also export it by just simply downloading it from here, and you can also type some text. Let's say I am typing hello everyone, and I'll hit generate. As you can see, it has generated my text. I'll just enlarge it to show you. It's not currently enlarging, but this is how you can animate your text. As you can see here, hello everyone. And this was the beginners friendly tutorial on how to create paper animations with paperanimator.com. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.